Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Kendale Lakes local and long-distance movers near me. Helping you with your long-distance move is just one of the services we offer. Our team provides more services than just transporting your things from one location to another. We also provide all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Justifying the need for hiring a Florida moving company may not seem easy at first. However, when you start looking at the advantages associated with hiring a local moving company, it becomes much easier. You'll gain time and convenience when you choose a local moving company. Plus, your belongings will be in the hands of trusted, experienced movers throughout the entire process. A professional moving team like 3 Movers can help to speed up the process of getting you settled in your new home or office. It may take you a few days or even a week to pack up and move locally.